If you got a Motorola phone with Android 12, 13, or even Android 14, there is a feature known as blocked numbers if you are using the Google Dialer app. Here's where you go to find this feature. Let's get started. Spam calls and scammers can be annoying, but what's even more annoying is a number that keeps calling you if it's your old friend that you don't want to talk to no more or an ex. Here, go into the Dialer app, tap on the three dots right there and go to where it says settings right there. Once in this section here, you'll find what's called blocked numbers. And even though you turn on the unknown number, block that feature there, it probably might not even work because your phone might probably detect it as a known number. So what you want to do now is go to where it says add a number. And as you enter here, go ahead and tap here and type in that specific number that keeps calling you or texting you. And if this is your number, I'm sorry, but I gotta block you. And that's how you would go about blocking a specific number. Awesome sauce. Like and sub.